Now, when burnishing a scraper, it's pretty hard to convey to the student exactly how much pressure I'm exerting to create the curled edge on my card scraper. So what I've been telling them is that I'm applying about 5 pounds of pressure to my burnishing tool, whatever that tool may be. And how do I get that across, exactly what 5 pounds is? And so this has become quite useful. So I'll take my hands and hold it on here, and then they get a really good feel for just how much pressure that is. Then it's not a guess. It's a real unit of measure that they can now apply to their card scraper. 5 pounds, just like I was applying here. It's a great teaching tool.